In this video, we're diving into the world of drug interactions, those unexpected and sometimes dangerous reactions that can happen when medications mix like oil and water, because the last thing we want is for our parents to become an accidental science experiment. Drug interactions can happen when two or more medications don't play nicely together. These interactions can decrease effectiveness. One medication might weaken the effect of another. On the other hand, drug interactions may increase side effects. The combination can sometimes amplify side effects. Even worse, drug interactions might create entirely new and unexpected problems. Common drug interactions. The usual suspects: warfarin or Coumadin and NSAIDs. This combo can increase the risk of bleeding. Statins and grapefruit juice. Grapefruit juice can interfere with the breakdown of statins, increasing the risk of muscle damage. Antibiotics and birth control pills. Some antibiotics can reduce the effectiveness of birth control pills, leading to unexpected surprises. Antidepressants and certain pain relievers. Combining these can increase the risk of serotonin syndrome, a potentially life-threatening condition. Preventing drug interactions. Your caregiver superpower. Schedule regular medication reviews with your parent's doctor or pharmacist. Maintain an accurate and up-to-date medication list of all medications, including prescriptions, over-the-counter drugs, and supplements. Inform healthcare providers. Make sure all healthcare providers are aware of all medications your parent is taking. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions about potential drug interactions. It's better to be safe than sorry. Be observant. Watch for any new or unusual symptoms and report them to your parent's doctor or pharmacist. You need to be on the lookout for clues. Grandparent's pharmacist, your drug interaction specialist. We can help you with all your medication needs, like preparing a medication list or questions for your doctors, and can spot drug interactions to avoid harmful side effects. We know that navigating the world of drug interactions can be confusing. That's why we're here to help. We can review your parents' medications, identify potential interactions, and work with their doctor to find solutions. Think of us as your medication safety net. We're here to catch you if you fall. Thanks for watching, and check back for the next video with helpful tips and guidance for seniors and caregivers. If you have a topic you'd like to see us cover, leave us a comment.